Hello. All right. I can tell already that I would like this piece, but it's presented to me sideways. So right off the bat, that puts me in a sour mood. So, in the future, of course, just make sure it's presented correctly before you submit it. Oh, that's cool. Subtle terror. I like that you thought beyond just putting um, an object together to spell something simple. You thought about something scary and you used scary materials that brings this project to a whole nother level. I really appreciate what you did there. I also like that you put it down on this dirty, workspace floor and it's bright red. There's a lot of contrast. One thing I can suggest is getting the shop vac or whatever that is out of the way because it's not as scary as the rest of the things. I do like this sort of clip here because it has that old worn look about it. So consider, retaking the photo so you get like the edge of that wrench in there and then move that whatever that thing is and then cropping it a little bit tighter. Then take it into Photoshop and increase the brightness contrast just a bit. I think it's a cool piece for your portfolio. Nicely done.